Hi everyone, I'm Donna, owner here at Bookkeeping Made Simple. We're excited to start off a new week, and we are excited to have some news to give you. As always, if you enjoy these videos, please like, share, subscribe. It helps us grow our channel, get the word out to other people who may need our services or may just need the information that we're sharing in these videos. Of course, we are very focused this year on helping people decrease their tax bill. We're working on some really awesome curriculum that we'll be sharing coming up. I'm a little, there's a lot going on. It's all good stuff. So I'm going to jump right into it. So last week I said we didn't have a start date for tax season. We do now. They just released it Friday afternoon, I think. Tax season will start officially. The IRS will start receiving or accepting returns February 12th. That is a Friday. The reason it's taking so long is, of course, 2020. All of the protection stuff, all of the stimulus packages, all of the stuff that Congress was working on at the end of the year, well, they had to include that in programming. And so that's just, it's going to take that long. So February 12th is the day. I will start accepting tax appointments for the 2020 tax year, February 12th. So, yeah, that's the big news. Also, the deadline for 1099s, they are this year, if you are providing 1099s for non-employment compensation, they will not be reported on a 1099 miscellaneous form as they have been in the past. They will be reported on a 1099 NEC, NEC for non-employment compensation. So if you have 1099s that need to go out, you have to have them postmarked by February 1st, and that includes the copy that goes to the IRS. Just in case you're wondering, 1099s are an informational return. They get sent to the IRS so that they can be cross-referenced with what you have paid non-employees or other people, depending on the type of 1099 you're sending out, so that when the tax return comes in, the IRS can then cross-reference it and make sure that the amounts that were paid were also claimed, okay? So in other words, if you are a 1099 contractor and you get $60,000 worth of 1099s from various sources, but you only claim 40,000 of it, the IRS will know to flag that and you'll be in trouble. So that is kind of a way for them to make sure that they are, that the people who are claiming the deduction for contract labor receive it, but that the people who they say they paid also have to claim it on their returns. Okay, so the taxes have to be paid on that at least once. The government's a little bit touchy about that. I can't think if there's any other dates. February 1st is a Monday, so you have until then. Again, a lot of this is because of 2020 being such an insane year. Stop to think. It's going to be, if you are one of my clients, you need to sign up for I will be talking to you soon about the tax avoidance information. This will, if you're one of my employees, you get your tax returns at a discounted rate. And one of my employees, oh my gosh, I'm so thinking about employees. If you are one of my clients, you get your tax returns at a discounted rate. So if you want a cheap tax return, sign up for the bookkeeping service. The reason for that, by the way, is that if I have my girls doing your books and I sit down to do your taxes, well, then I know who to talk to. We have been asking you the right questions throughout the year. We have access, we have full access to your books, so we can really look into that and see. And then it really cuts down on the number of times we have to reach out to another bookkeeping service, or a lot of times it's simply that I know your books, and so I can make some due diligence without necessarily having to do a lot of extra documentation, because we already have the documentation. So discounts. If you are a Bookkeeping Made Simple client, you can get a discount on your tax return for both personal and business. So that's about it for today. There's a lot going on. It is Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Lots going on. It's going to be kind of a rockin' week this week, I think. And I'm going to try to stay out of the political area. I don't even want to watch the news. I have to be focused on my business and good things to come. So that's it for today. Stay focused on good things to come. Best really is yet to come. It's always, always going to be a good day. Have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you tomorrow.